Look at this spec, guys. Look at this. Look at these wheels. Beautiful wheels. I love the way that they did these lights. I don't know if you can see here, but they got the Bugatti right there. So gorgeous. And then on top they have these like shark fins. And oh my god. Beautiful. It's got a W16 motor. So you know it's kicking. It's kicking. Look at the carbon. Let's take it inside. We got a all red spec. Oh my god. Gotta love that. Look at this steering wheel, guys. These options here. Engine options there. Right, we got the Chiron right here. That's for